Good evening, my friends. Again, for share market, capital markets, which is very important not only for you, myself, it is important for the whole country as a whole, as well as the world. One of my friends gave his portfolio to me in the evening, today's evening, and asked me, Ratanda, please review it. I reviewed. Oh my God, what is portfolio? If you have garbage at your home, what do you do? If I have garbage in my house, I must clean it. Garbage does not mean any dustbin materials there. Garbage means which the material will not work for you throughout your life, although you keep it for the whole life. I said many percent, even I am experienced little bit. One of my relative, I say that my elder sister kept so many things into homes which is not required but kept in a separate room. And after 10-15 years, what happened? Everything one day disposed of without value, even for cleaning, paying money. Similarly, if you have the garbage stock into your portfolio, just clean it, get something at least. Should not garbage. You have like other also, like Sujlon. It is garbage, full of garbage. I had also some of the garbage stock, but I am restricted, not listed. It is not being traded, suspended. Dr. Datson is there. Myself, I have little more to Tech is there, as well as Tulip Telecom is there. These three garbage stock, as well as for like value, like like deviated from the rules, company's rules and splitted company, and then that is the one shipping company is there, and that shipping company they have now split it into one like logistic as well as in the shipping. Okay, and you should share. Still, it is in the with the V, I think. I'm not remembering very well now. It is some shipping. Okay, and I found their result also. Even last quarter also, last year also, that is year ended 31st March 2020, they had a good profit. They are showing their good profit, everything, but once you deviate from the company's rule, once you deviate from the which is normally to be adopted, not in the do numbering way. So, if you are restricted by the governments for doing what you are doing, not legal way, then government if you stop you, you will die. That is sure. Not even today. Its process, government processes are slow but sure. You have to remember everything to be done. If I run some company, you run, or you are in the management or in the executive group, you have to do it like observing the rules of the company, observing the rules made by companies in 1956 as well as other companies that which are like from day to day which are amended. Okay, my friends, investor and all investors, especially for the new investors, and I find like some persons they are engaged in their profession, services, and their business. They do not have much time, but they want to make some investment in the equity market, and they have also invested a lot of money in the market. I find out like the companies like they are adequately studied, and GMR Infra, Sujlon, and says as well as Reliance Infra, as well as so many other stocks are there. They are not even, they are suspended. I can say you the 10, 15 names, 16 names, 20 names, 30, 40 names. I am holding even like some of the names suspended. Then Dr. Deston, I have a little bit investment. Aptec also, I had a little bit investment. I have a little bit investment in the Tulip Telecom as well as some shipping I told you, which is split it in the logistic and shipping that I am having. All those 5 ships are suspended, they are not being traded, but out of all 5, that shipping which split it into logistic and they have deviated from the rules, company's rules. They do not have like adequate observations of the company's rule and government's rule, and they split the company. Okay, and that is why sorry, that is why they are suspended. Let's see, but other removing like class 2, apart from Dr. Desktop, I don't find any reason to hold all those garbage. They're in the liquidation process, but I don't know when it will be settled. If do not settled, then what I'll do, I don't know. And like if I have these shares, Reliance Infra, Suzlon, and GMR Infra, this is all garbage. What I'll do? GMR Infra still little bit okay, but other two, what I'll do? It is depreciated by 90%, 80%. Still you are having certain value, get the money, money is important in the market, put the money in the stock where you have having a chance to get some returns. So portfolio management, you have to understand, you have a 30 stock in the portfolio, if some garbage is there, you must split up, clean up the portfolio and develop the portfolio with good companies only. You include Federal Group, you include like consumer groups of Indian company as well as some financial sector, banking company which is still good like Axis Bank, HDFC Bank. Apart from this, the going bank, private banks, if you have money, you can purchase. Like I can suggest you a little bit. It is not good practice, I know, for share market to spell some stock, because everything possible in the market. Today's glory may be tomorrow's sorrow. So IDFC First Bank, I mean to say, you can invest till now, and or you can wait little bit and then invest when you have money from the profit from the other stock. For tomorrow, I am going to give you one tip, Timex. I know it's not good at all to spell some stock, so that like investor, if they do not get money, instead they loss. Not good practice at all, but many times this is habitual business, my sense is this, okay, let some new investor as well as those who are not adequately touch with the market, they must earn something. If they follow me, they can understand whatever the stock I spent like 6 months, 8 months, or even before, all stock given certain returns, all stock given certain returns. You cannot say any stock from the point where I said you to invest from there till now even prior to that many times. But you have to understand, my friends, the time of exit, that you have to time next. There is the open offer. I not have been told generally for making money, because stock market is not guaranteed. But timing still, it is below 30. You can make money here. I cannot say you 5 times, 7 times going to be delisted, and with like some GM, this is GM Financial there. They have placed everything. There is a open offer. The open offer price I don't know, but it is running at 30. It was at 52, 56, 58, 60, but it came down due to this COVID impact. Now this quarter they had again the downsell, but that does not mean they will not have a much more sale in futures. Timex is good for short term benefits. Only for short term benefit means you get here 20, 30, 40, even 50, even 100% return, and then take that money, utilize the money into the market. If you can utilize money in the market, then there is a possibility, although not genuine wala the money, but there will be possibility to make money. But clean garbages. Thank you. Good night, friends. Myself, Ratan Gogopadhyay. Before I say you, good night. Clean garbages. Thank you.